What if, while playing your favorite sport, you feel a sudden pain in your leg? What if you lost your appetite and don't want to eat anymore? What if you suddenly feel dizzy as if you were going to faint? Or what if you experience strong feelings of sadness, anger, and anxiety that you can't control? What would you do if these happened to you? Whether it's in the body or the mind, it is important that we know and learn the appropriate steps to take when you face issues like these. I'm Yana Sarte, and today, in this video, I will be sharing with you all you need to know on how to take care of yourself both physically and mentally. Let's talk physical. Knowing first aid is essential, not just to you, but to anyone in times of need in an emergency. But before we dive into different treatment and prevention tips, let's first talk about the different sport-related injuries that commonly occur during physical activity. Number 1, muscle cramps. This occurs when the muscles in a particular part of the body suddenly contracts, causing a painful sensation to the affected area. These usually happen in the legs and last only a few minutes. Muscle cramps can be caused by prolonged stillness, dehydration, and the lack of regular physical activity. When experiencing muscle cramps, stretching and massages are suggested until the pain subsides. You may also apply an ice pack on the affected area to relax the muscle. Number 2, sprain. It refers to a stretched or torn ligament. A ligament is a group of tissues connecting two bones. It is more serious than a muscle cramp and takes longer to heal. Sprains may cause pain, swelling, bruising, and limited movement of the affected area. The most common location of a sprain is the ankle. When experiencing a sprain, you must follow the RICE method. R for rest. Rest the affected area and avoid any discomforting activities. I for ice. Apply ice on the area for 15 to 20 minutes. C for compress. Wrap the area with an elastic bandage to reduce swelling. And lastly, letter E for elevate. The injured area must be elevated above heart level for proper blood circulation. Number 3, muscle strain. Also known as muscle pull or tear, it's an injury of the muscle to its attached tendons. Tendons are tissues that connect bones and muscles. This usually occurs in the lower back and in the hamstrings located behind the thigh. Common symptoms are muscle pain, soreness, and weakness. The RICE method is also encouraged when experiencing muscle strain. Lastly, number 4, heat exhaustion. This refers to the overheating of the body, mainly caused by too much exposure to hot temperature and dehydration. This may result in a rapid pulse rate, excessive sweating, dizziness, tiredness, weakness, and even fainting. When experiencing heat exhaustion, it is highly suggested that you rest and take deep breaths. Lower your body temperature by moving to a cooler place, and stay hydrated by drinking lots of fluids. And those are all the 4 common sport related injuries. Moving on, here are some important first aid reminders. When experiencing a sickness or injury, the most important thing that you must do is rest. Be patient as your body needs to take its time to heal and to return back to its original state. Don't overwork yourself and just rest. If you have a nosebleed, an important reminder to take note of is that you must lean your head forward and tilt it downward. Even if it may seem frightening that blood is dripping from your nose and you may feel tempted to tilt it upward, this is highly discouraged, as this may cause the blood to go down the throat and irritate your stomach. Pinch your nose gently and breathe through your mouth. If you're experiencing prolonged injuries or regular pain in certain parts, consult your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. Take prescribed medicine and eat healthy. In emergency situations such as loss of consciousness, neck or spine injuries, broken bones, eye injuries, etc., call an ambulance and seek medical help immediately. As they say, prevention is better than cure. It is always better to prevent sicknesses and injuries than treating it after it has happened. The daily decisions in our lives can greatly impact our health in the long run. Here are some tips in preventing diseases and injuries. Always do stretching before and after physical activity. Warming up and cooling down is crucial for increasing blood flow and reducing tissue tightness. Always stay hydrated. Drink a sufficient amount of water for the whole day, especially when exercising. When playing sports, use the appropriate protective equipment such as mouth guards, pads, and helmets. Take regular medical checkups with a doctor to assess your overall health and to diagnose any early signs of illness. Get vaccinated to protect yourself from diseases and to avoid spreading these to others. Aside from physical health, mental and emotional health are also equally important. These define on how you think, feel, and act through the course of your life. That's why you must always take good care of your mind in addition to your body. Mental disorders are caused by various factors such as family, environment, and experiences. There are many types of disorders and each have different symptoms. Examples of these are obsessive compulsive disorder, post traumatic stress disorder, depression, and schizophrenia. Common symptoms of these disorders are mood swings, loss of appetite, loss of pleasure, anxiety, anger issues, and overthinking. The general treatment of these disorders are psychodynamic therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, specific medication prescribed by psychologists. The best way of preventing mental disorders is by taking care of your mental health. Here are several ways on how to do that. Don't bottle up your emotions. Talking about your feelings allow you to express yourself healthily and avoid strong outbursts of negative emotions that may hurt others. Get enough sleep and have a proper sleep schedule. Feeling well rested can greatly benefit your mental health. Eat healthy. Having a proper and nutritious diet can boost your energy and relax your emotions. Connect with others and take care of your relationships. Let go of the toxic ones that only harm and burden you. Every person desires to feel like they truly belong. So, nurture your relationships and be kind to others. Practice gratitude. List down and search for the little things in your life that keep you going so that when things get hard, it'll be more bearable. Have faith in yourself and know that you're not alone in this. Practicing self care, physically or mentally, is a must for every single person. You shouldn't forget to prioritize yourself sometimes. Always remember that you and your health are important and deserve to be taken care of. And that is my PT for health and PE. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something. Bye!